King Charles, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Martha Stewart, American businesswoman, Snoop Dogg, American rapper, Michelle Obama, singer and musician Sting, the three famous Khans of Bollywood, what do they have in common? Let's see how many of you guessed it right. Yes, you are right. Their common interest is gardening. Besides them, there are plenty of other long-time OGs, original gardeners. These are the celebrities who have loved plants and gardening for years. Guys, spending time in the midst of nature is believed to have profound mental health benefits, and man-made gardens are no different. Gardening is a beautiful way to bring grounding energy into our home. We can benefit greatly from planting seeds and growing crops. Just watching the plants grow from tiny, little sprouts to big, beautiful plants is incredibly satisfying, and it can make you feel so good. Gardening acts as an antidote to that fast and furious digital life. Tending house plants and seeing new plants come out of the soil after a long winter can be hugely relaxing. Gardening is a key to happiness. Whether it's being outside and taking a walk, enjoying the simple pleasures of life at work, or experiencing the rich rewards of nurturing and watching something grow and thrive, we can potentially add years to our lives if we surround ourselves with plants. After all, people who garden have a lower risk of chronic illnesses, and some doctors have started prescribing walks through nature as a supplement to medicine. You must have noticed the presence of plants and gardens near hospital recovery rooms. These views of aesthetically pleasing gardens and plants accelerate the healing of the patients. Gardening can act as therapy for people who have undergone trauma, either mental or physical. This is horticulture therapy, where patients care for and nurture plants themselves. Patients who physically interact with plants experience a significantly reduced recovery time after medical procedures. Studies show that people who spend time cultivating plants have less stress in their lives. Research shows that people who spend more time around plants are much more likely to try and help others. In a study conducted by the New University of Technology in Sydney, researchers added plants to the office environment. They found that the presence of the plants decreased anxiety by 37%, feelings of hostility by 44%, and feelings of depression by 58%. The plants even reduced fatigue by 38%. It is not suggested that we all move to the jungle to reconnect with our inner Jane or Tarzan to live a better life, but rather we recognize the positive effects of plants and use them to our advantage. Plants are unsung well-being heroes, and they are silently working behind the scenes to make our lives a little bit better every day. Now, what are you waiting for? Time for you to get your gardening gloves on. If you like this video, keep following our space for more such content.